He puts the focus all on the customer. He wants his staff to make sure that customers are being treated the best way possible, and that will make them want to come back. I've also seen the change Tio Juanita's was before to where he's brought it to now. Well, just the other day, I had mentioned that I'm kind of missed going to lunch, and he had said that, well, just let me know and I'll be walking over some food for y'all. So just thinking about other people is where he goes above and beyond. Customer service has to be genuine. I mean, that's the big thing, is listening to what people have to say, and also just getting to know the clients and customers. He generally remembers people for who they are and what they do, and I think that's, again, what makes people feel special, and therefore, if they feel special, then they're going to be coming back to that particular place.